I just discovered a suite of tools from CapCut that have made my editing time skyrocket, and it doesn't cost anything. No subscriptions, no free trials, and in today's video, we're diving into a bunch of these powerful tools like batch editors, background removers, and image and video upscalers that I don't think very many creators even know exist. Let's get started. So there's two different ways to get to the tools within CapCut, and this is kind of why I say that they're not really marketing it like a crazy amount on just like how good and how many tools there are that you can use for free without truly using their editing platform. Like, you don't have to edit your video in their platform to use the tools, which I just think is crazy. I'm gonna leave both of the links inside of the description for you. The first one that you'll get to is just a splash page of all of the tools that they have. I don't find this one to be as interesting or as helpful, but you can already see that they have like AI video generators and AI cartoon generators and script to video maker, which I guess our job is just done. Like, I guess we don't need to, I guess we don't need to edit anymore because we can just make an AI script and then just have it make the video. But you can see that you can remove the video background for free, so you can rotoscope for free. This is gonna get crazy. You also have a vocal remover and different types of things, but I don't really like this page because it doesn't really do a great job at showing you all of the tools kind of together. It's just too big of boxes here to try to show me what each tool does. So you can click the second link in the description and that will bring you to your project page. Now you will have to be signed in for this one, but you'll understand what I mean. Like, when I click on Magic Tools over here, which is where it's actually located, you can see that they have long video to shorts, batch editing, remove the background in videos, video upscaler, image upscaler. You can make just different ads with AI, clips to video, AI characters, text to design. They have this cool like photo colorizer where you can give it a black and white image and it will try to colorize it with AI. It's just kind of dope, you know? Like, the fact that all of these things are free for you to use. Now, some of them like text to image say free for a limited amount of time. I'm not sure exactly. Like, I just made my account not too long ago. Now, everything on this page are the tools that you can use inside of the browser. So like, I can click on remove background and then just upload my file here and have it remove the background for me. Some of the other tools on this page, like for instance, the vocal remover for creative video production, if you click on it, it'll actually make you download CapCut. It is kind of cool to see the tools that are like built into their product that they have, which is now comparing itself to DaVinci Resolve and Premiere Pro and Final Cut Pro. It's just crazy to see. But I mostly wanted to show you guys some of the online tools that you guys can use right now without having to download any program on your computer or anything. So let's just walk through one. So I'm gonna click on this dog right here as an example. It will load for a second, generating and trying to figure out how to mask the person or object that's in the image itself. There's an auto remover up here that whenever this gets done generating, you can turn on or off to auto remove the, it recognizes the subjects and knows what to auto remove. So as you can see, it did a pretty good job. There are some harsh edges, it kind of looks like, but if you go to the background here, you can set the background to different colors here. So what you would do is you would just like set it to a green or set it to a blue or set it to be honest, you can set it to any color that you want. And then you'll export this video, bring it into Premiere Pro or Final Cut or DaVinci Resolve and use Ultra Key or green screen effect to pull out the color that you want to get rid of. The next thing I want to look at is batch editing. I think this is kind of cool. I don't have a big use for it, but batch editing seems to be a great way to save time and money if you maybe run a store or if you have a merch brand and you want to make everything match in branding. And so if you click on the batch editor, you can upload up to 50 images of different things. I don't have 50 images to upload, so I'm going to just use the materials that they have. It will go through and it will remove the background from all of the items that you upload. And then I bet you'll have some like opportunity to make it all match cohesively. Okay, so as you can see, I can actually change the background to all of the items. Oh, this would be so cool. Like if you were a reseller, I used to resell stuff when I was like in high school. So I would go to like a liquidation site, I would buy stuff for really cheap and then I would try to sell it on eBay if it was in, good condition and stuff like that. But I'd have to take pictures of it in a white box that I bought like off of Amazon, like a $5 little white box. In this case, that's what you could do. You could make an Amazon, like if they're product images, then you turn it into like an Amazon image with a white background because that's how all of the Amazon images of any product that you buy are. It auto cropped it too. That's so cool. Okay, man. So I wonder if I click on Amazon AI model, if it's gonna put like the green shirt on the AI model. Whoa. That's actually pretty cool. Okay, so I also want to kind of look at like script to video. Generate scripts to create videos in a few clicks. Okay, so there's you just generate a script and it'll give you a video. Okay, let's do one of the preset topics here. So like, let's do a tech info. The product name, let's do CapCut. And then highlights, I don't know, AI tools, I guess. Oh, I can have the AI just do it for me. Gotcha. Okay. Let's do AI tools, how to use. And I hit continue and it's just generating my video. Okay. All right. So it gives you the script and then you can go through and edit the script. All right. I'm not going to try to edit this to be any better than it already is. I'm just going to hit generate and just let it do it. You can add your own media to match the script, or you can let CapCut generate a video with materials suitable for the script. Of course, we're going to do that. Oh, wow. My minute and 35-second video is already generated. Very good. I don't even care. We're just going to export this thing. 1080p, baby. Export. Okay, so it looks like we're ready. I don't expect this to be good. I expect this to be the script that it created and then a couple pictures that it pulled offline. Let's see what we got.
Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the world of CapCut and exploring how you can use its AI tools to create incredible content. So, buckle up and let's get started.
Okay, I think we have enough of that to understand that that tool is not there yet, but the rest of these tools I think are pretty much worth it. I'll tell you right now that my favorite is the video and image upscaler, along with like the video stabilization, super slow motion. Man, that's so a lot of this stuff is just so cool, and this is the worst that it's gonna be. Am I fighting for CapCut? Am I a Premiere Pro guy that's like, hey, let's try CapCut? I don't know. I don't know if I'm there yet, but I definitely know their tools are very much worth it.